Choice of a form of business organization. Choice of a form of business organization. Every form of business has its advantages and limitations. Hence, it is important to choose the most appropriate form of business. Here, we can discuss the important factors to be considered while selecting a form of business. Cost and ease in setting up the organization. Cost is the most important factor to be considered for a business. Sole proprietorship form of business is suitable for a beginner as it requires limited capital. Liability. Liability factor should be considered as it has an impact on the business. In case of a sole proprietorship and partnership firms, the liability of the owners or partners is unlimited. The liability of a limited company is limited to the extent of its shares. Continuity. Continuity of a business varies from sole proprietorship to joint stock companies. In case the business needs a permanent structure, company form is more suitable. For short-term ventures, proprietorship or partnership may be preferred. Management ability. A sole proprietor may find it difficult to have expertise in all functional areas of management. In other forms of organizations, like partnership and company, there is no such problem. Professional management leading to better decision-making. Capital considerations. Companies are in a better position to collect large amounts of capital by issuing shares to a large number of investors. But the resources of a sole proprietor are limited. Thus, if the scale of operations is large, company form may be suitable. Degree of control. If direct control over operations and absolute decision-making power is required, proprietorship may be preferred. But if the owners do not mind sharing control and decision-making, partnerships or company form of business can be preferred.